Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can leave a team in Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, teams are basically, well, groups of people or users in Canva, which gives you an option to do many different things. Now, I'm not sure of all of those things, and I'm not sure what else you can do using Teams, but I do know that you can share a premium account with different people. I have heard that being done. You can also collaborate with them, create common content, and etc. etc. It's best to not go into the nitty gritty to not confuse you guys, but if you want to leave a team, you can do that very easily, and there are two different ways, of course, on the PC and on the mobile version, and I'll be covering both. Now, as you can see on PC, all you need to do is go into settings. Under your team, you just need to click team details, then click leave team, and then confirm by clicking leave team again, and then you'll no longer be part of the team, and you'll be taken back to the home page with a notification that you have left, and that should be it. Now, on the mobile version, you just tap the hamburger menu to open up the menu, then go into settings, into team details, then tap leave team, and again confirm by tapping again, and then again you'll be taken to the home page with a notification, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.